children, we will draw butterfly. Take circle tool and draw the shape like this. Now you can resize it by holding the selection area. It is very simple to draw butterfly in MS Paint. Now take circle tool, we are going to draw eye of our butterfly. So you can see we have drawn a circle. You can resize it by holding the selection area of the circle. It is up to you how big or small the eye will be. Now take another circle and draw inside this circle. Take the paint bucket tool, select the black color and fill in the circle. Click on select option, select transparent selection and select the eye. Click on copy option, click on paste option. You see your eye is ready. You put in the body of the butterfly. You again paste, one more eye is ready. Now click on rotate and rotate 180 degree. Another eye is also ready. By this you can draw the same shape and size. It will help you to draw eye of same size. Now you delete this, there is no need of this. Again go to the shape and select heart. We are going to draw the feather of this butterfly. You just draw the heart shape. Now resize the heart shape by holding the selection area. You can resize as per your choice. You rotate it. Now you click on rotate and rotate 180 degree. You see here. Now select circle tool and draw the circle inside this heart. It will give the shape of feather of butterfly. These circles will give a better look and appearance of feather. You just draw it. Now your feather is ready. Click on select and select transparent selection. Now select your feather, click on copy option, click on paste option. Duplicate feather is ready. Now click on rotate option, click on rotate 180. You see here, by holding the selection area you can resize your feather. You can see here how I am doing. Just follow the step, children. It is very easy to draw the feather. Now again you paste. Another feather is ready. Hold it and bring it near the body. You can also resize it. Both feathers will appear same. For this you always use the transparent selection. It will create a duplicate of the same figure. Now delete this feather, there is no requirement of this. Now we are going to draw the antenna. For this you select curve tool, draw a line and make it curve from between the line. Okay, again you select the curve tool, again you select the curve tool. Do repeat the process like first antenna. Now your antenna is ready. Now click on view and click on zoom. It will increase the size of your butterfly. Select the rubber tool and erase the area inside the eye. You can see. Okay, now click on view, zoom out. Okay, next you select the now you have to draw the line in between the body of your. So select the pen and draw the line in between the body of your butterfly. Pen will help you to draw a freehand lines, just like pen you use on copy or pencil. Okay, your butterfly is quite ready. Now the time comes to fill the color. So you select the paint bucket and select yellow color. You can see fill the color in the feather. In this way you select the colors and fill one by one. You can change the color combination. Now select the color and you can increase or decrease the transparency of your color. You can make it more darker and lighter. Suppose you select a color and fill inside the feather. Okay, select this color, click on edit colors and you can make it more light. So you can see this is very simple children and very fun to draw the butterfly. आप लोग बहुत इंजॉय करेंगे. इस तरह से आप और डार्कर बना सकते हैं और भी लाइटर बना सकते हैं. तो आपने क्या किया, कलर फिल कर दिया. अब आप इसको, आपका बटरफ्लाई रेडी हो गया है. फिर से एक बार पेंट बकेट टूल लेंगे और हम लोग बैकग्राउंड कलर चेंज करेंगे. तो इसके लिए स्काई कलर ले लीजिए और ये फिल कर दीजिए. तो आपका बटरफ्लाई रेडी हो गया. तो उम्मीद है आपको बहुत अच्छा लग रहा होगा. लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए.